Let's talk about the sea salt spray lye, the one that has you buying the same generic, cheaply made formula in a different bottle, often from brands run by people who have never spent a single day behind the chair as a professional hairstylist or barber. You can use Tidal Wave as a professional grade pre-styler or post-styler on damp hair or dry hair. Just a few sprays, which actually saves you money on the hair as a mist, provides the perfect foundation. It gives hair the immediate grip and protects it from the heat of the blow dryer, building volume that actually lasts. You can also use it on completely dry hair. A light mist reactivates the style, soaks up any oils, and creates that perfect second day texture and volume without weighing the hair down. This is the secret to making fine hair look and feel thicker and healthier. Tidal Wave is a unisex product, and this is actually how I originally designed it to be used on clients of mine in the salon. This is the ultimate volumizing spray, and I want you to pay close attention to the results here. I'm using my ceramic ionic 2.5-inch round brush and my ionic blow dryer with the nozzle. This is years and years, over 30 years of doing hair and doing blow dries. What I'm trying to do is build volume. So if you're somebody who has fine hair, who has longer hair, and you want volume that's actually going to help build that texture in your hair and give you that structure needed, this is the perfect way to go. And the blow drying technique is one that I've pretty much mastered over the years, where I don't like to hold the blow dryer, and I suggest not doing this in one area because that is what damages hair. You have to keep the blow dryer moving, and also notice that the nozzle and the brush are working in sync together. These are techniques that I used and learned years ago. Now watch this. Here is the incredible result. Look at all this volume. Look at the shine. This is all natural. This is a mannequin that's got really thin, overprocessed blonde hair, which tends to be pretty damaged because there was some bleach done to it. Look at the results. They speak for themselves. And that's why I'm so passionate. Here's my brush, and here is my blow dryer, all available at shop.thesalonguy.com. You can even purchase them here in my online store. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you very soon.